Muhammad Umar Farooq Biological Video. Please make sure to subscribe, like and share. Ask the question for answer and comment about the artwork. In this video we will talk about the growth and reproduction of the bacterial cell. So here is a bacterial cell. That's a general diagram of the cell is just like that. So here is the DNA, which that is the circular DNA is known as chromosome, which that is the one chromosome in the bacteria E. coli. So here is the plasmid is the extracellular DNA which that are present and scattered more than one or one. That the number is depend on the species of the bacteria. So here is the flagella which that is used for the movement, and pili, which that is the small projection of the outer projection of the cell, and that is used for the attachment and sexual reproduction for the changing of extracellular DNA. So here is the plasma membrane, inner side plasma membrane, and outer side is inner side is cytoplasm and plasma membrane, and outer side is a cell wall which contains the peptidoglycan. That is the peptidoglycan is N-acetyl glucosamine and N-acetyl uramic acid. That is a murine. And here is that is a pili, and here is the flagella which that is shown in the figure. So here is the DNA chromosome, for example, and that's the here is the ribosome which that are present in the too much ribosomes, and glyoxysome and some little organelle is also present as well. But the difference is that the eukaryote is more advanced organelle as compared to the bacterial cell, because the first of all we will discuss about that the mitochondria is not present. So the glycolysis is occur just to produce pyruvate. So that's another talking we will discuss in another video. I will make about that thing. No, here is we will talk about the growth and reproduction. So here is the growth of bacteria during a favorable condition is produce number of bacteria more. The multiplication of number of bacteria due to the reproduction, that is the cell division, that is known as asexual reproduction, because one cell converted into two cells by a cell division. That's we will discuss in later. So here is the time is using the that the horizontal, and is the vertical is the number of bacteria increasing, that is the growth of bacteria is increasing in the upward. That is the graph which that is showing in the figure. So here is the time. For example, I give you in concept about that thing. The 20 minute is required to cell divide of the bacteria 1 to 2 daughter cell, parent to daughter cell. So here is the lag phase. The lag phase is the rapidly basically lag phase is the preparatory phase, that is the bacteria prepare itself to reproduce. So there's a growth due to the preparation, and bacteria use the energy reservoir for the next stage. So next is the log phase, which that is exponential phase, which rapidly growth of the bacteria, and that's the going into the stationary phase. There's a stationary phase is the composition of the microbes. Basically that is the too much microbe, which that is death rate of this basically a log phase contain less death as compared to the division of the cell life, and stationary phase is equal to death rate and reproduction rate. So that is easy to understand about that. And after that the in the stationary phase the competition of the microbe is begin, and there's the competition is more and food is less. If food will be less, then the death and decline phase will be begin. So remember it. And that the death phase or decline phase is rapidly mean that the death rate of the bacteria is more as compared to the growth of the bacterial colony. So here is the death and decline, basically death and decline phase due to a nutrient deficiency. So that is the nutrient deficiency is the responsible for the declining of the bacterial colony. So I hope you make sense about that a little um, tutorial about that reproduction. So now we will go another way to understand the reproduction. There was the growth and here is the reproduction, sorry. So here is the reproduction, we will talk about the reproduction. So first of all, we will talk about the asexual reproduction is present, and sexual reproduction also present in the bacteria as compared to the viral uh, virus also, but virus is using the another way to replication. Here we will talk about the bacteria. So here is the binary fission, that's the asexual reproduction. The binary fission meaning the one cell fission. Fission means the splitting of one cell into two cell. That's the splitting of the one cell into two cell to make a two cell from one parent cell to daughter cell. So that is easy to understand about that. The cell preparation, first of all we will discuss about the whole mechanism of the binary fission. So here is the cell preparation, synthesizing protein and replicating, so that the cell will be prepared themselves to replication. And binary fission, that the binary mean fission mean the cutting of the two cells to separate. So here is the two DNA synthesis, that is known as replication. That is the DNA replication is occur in the bacteria, and that's the DNA will be double. And there's a cell elongation and DNA replication will be occur, the cell elongate as compared to the before. So the elongation of cell is give the space to separate the DNA into the bacterial cell. So next we will talk about the here is that there's a cell wall and plasma membrane begin to divide, and there's a barrier will be produced due to the plasma membrane and cell wall, which that is made up of peptidoglycan and peptidoglycan. And there's a cell separation by the lysosome, and that's a lysosome which is used for the separation of two cells. So another enzyme also used for it. So first of all, that's the major enzyme is known as lysozymes. So here separation by the lysosome. So next, and the parent cell will be converted into two daughter cell by the binary fission. That is known as binary fission. So keep remember about it. That is easy question to answer. So here is endospore. The endospore is another type of asexual reproduction. It means the endospores will be the spore will be produced inside of the bacterial cell, that is known as endospores. If we will talk about the exospores, then the outside of the cell will be covering by the cyst is known as exospores, and that's convert into the spores, which that is favorable condition will be again reproduced. So next here is the we will talk about the here is the vegetative cell which contain DNA, and there's the villi are present. The villi are present with that upper part of the um, outer membrane, which that is the peptidoglycan, which that is attached with the villi also. That is the holding mechanism. So here is the uh, septum development. So the septum development is basically here is the pre-spores, that is known as here is the pre-spore, which that is converted to the spore. That is the spore is the mature development, which that is outer covering is produced. And there's the that is here is the basically envelope enveloped development of envelope of spore. So here that is important thing. And here is the cortex formation. That's a cortex formation is meaning that the coat which develop into the outer region of the spores, that is the cortex formation and the coat formation. And that the coat formation will begin to produce the thickness and hardness of the endospore for the desiccation and resistance to the temperature desiccation. And another physiological, basically physical and physiological activity which that is used for the enzyme and different activities which that is inhibition by that spores. So that is why that endospore will be produced, and that endospore will be under the favorable condition will begin to reproduce again. That's why here. So you should understand about that thing. So now we will talk about the another here is the cycle will be produced. That is you. I hope you have got it. And here is sexual reproduction. That is the sexual reproduction is the meaning of sexual reproduction is involved with two bacteria to changes the DNA called recombinant bacteria. So that's the sexual reproduction meaning the interchanging of the DNA material to modification. That is why the evolutionary process is used to interchanging of the bacterial DNA to change every time to reproduce and produce a new organism which that is the recombinant and more efficient as compared to their parent. So that is why the here is the transformation. Thus the transformation is the simply mean the recombinant bacteria due to the transfer of DNA, that's the interchanging of the plasmid, that is the extracellular DNA which that is present in the cell. So that is the interchanging, not the chromosome exchanging, because that is a large thread which that is difficult to exchange by the another things. But uh, transduction can be occur. That's a transduction we will discuss about the next. So here the conjugation meaning the pilla is used to interchanging the DNA segment by the um, bridge, making the bridge by a sex pili, that is known as sex pili. That is a specialized pili which that is the f f factor positive and f negative factor, meaning the f positive which that is the donor and f negative is which is the recipient. That's a recipient who receive the DNA which that is attached with the um, and by the displacement of that thing, and there's the attachment of the DNA with the recipient DNA which that is a bacterial DNA, and that has become a recombinant. So that is the another technique to use the conjugation which that is the sexual reproduction which is used to making the uh, evolutionary advancement. That is why the bacteria is every time which that is the resistible, because due to the sexual reproduction. So you remember about that things. So here is transduction we will discuss about. There's the conjugation you should know about. There's a conjugation meaning that's due to the attachment of two bacteria. So here so the transduction is very important here. Transduction mean the third party is involved compared to, for example, two bacteria used for is sexual reproduction, and there's the sexual reproduction is involved via a bacteriophage. For example, there's a third party, that is the bacteria, and that is used for the sexual reproduction. So here we will let's talk about the and learn about the um, transduction. So here is the bacteria invaginate, penetrate the DNA into the chromosome of the bacterial DNA. That's the bacterial DNA which invaginate, and that's insert the insertion of the bacteriophage containing, basically that's a bacteriophage is come from the lytic cycle. That's the lytic cycle is produced the that's DNA is present that's come from the bacteria. So here is the bacteriophage, and here is the lysogeny cycle which that is the replication division, cell division of bacteria is uh, further, and lytic cycle is the lysis of the bacterial cell to produce the bacteriophage, and that bacteriophage is contain the DNA, and that DNA can be happen in the bacterial DNA or viral DNA in the bacteriophage. And here there can be specialized transduction or generalized transduction. There's a specialized transduction is meaning there's a special, that is a DNA which that is the bacterial DNA which come from the lytic cycle, and there's uh, contain the bacterial DNA which that's transferred by a again penetration, and that's DNA is that was the DNA is the bacterial DNA basically. So here I will give another animation which you can watch here. There's a here is the bacteria which invaginate the DNA penetration after landing, and there's a penetration that's combine the DNA with the bacteriophage with the E. coli bacteria, which that is the DNA composition. That's the DNA composition can be, look at this. Here is the viral DNA and here is the phage DNA. And here is the phage DNA and here is the bacterial DNA. That's bacterial DNA which contain from the phage. That's again insert, and again that's the recombinant bacteria will be produced, and here is the separation of DNA, and that's the recombination, and their type is known as transduction due to the bacteriophage involving this process. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and watch another.